strawberries look absolutely tempting. It's Valentine's Day tomorrow, so the official reason to use these strawberries into a beautiful dessert. I'm going to be making a no-bake fresh strawberry cheesecake today. The recipe is very simple, just a few ingredients, and of course it's no bake, so no baking involved. There's no egg in it, and you can easily make it a day in advance and keep it. And I hope this dessert makes your Valentine's Day extra special. To make this no-bake strawberry cheesecake, you will need some strawberries, of course. You need to chop them up and keep a few whole for garnishing in the end. Then you will need cream cheese, whipping cream, some powdered sugar, strawberry jam for decoration, digestive biscuits, and some melted butter. So we are going to begin by taking the digestive biscuits and processing them or churning them in a grinder and making crumb out of them. It should look like this. Then we'll add the melted butter into this crumb, mix it nicely till it starts looking like wet sand. So this is the base for your cheesecake, absolutely ready. Let's keep it aside and begin with the actual cheesecake mixture now. Now we'll take the cream cheese, make sure that it's at room temperature. We'll beat it a little till it becomes fluffy and uniform. Then add in the powdered sugar, mix it nicely again till it's all dissolved into the cream cheese. Now once this is done, take the whipping cream and whip it till you get almost stiff peaks. That'll take a few minutes. So now your cream cheese and sugar is beaten and your cream is whipped. It's time to bring both of them together. So we'll bring them together by mixing them a little at a time and gradually and softly, not with very vigorous motion, because that will tend to take the air out of it and make it less fluffy. And we want our cream cheese to be very creamy and fluffy. So once you're sure that both the things, that is the cream cheese and the whipping cream, are mixed well together, we can now add the chopped strawberry into it. Put in the strawberry as much as you want, it's totally up to you. You can go as generous as you want with it. Put it into this mixture and gently turn it around to mix it all into the cream cheese mixture. Now there's one more element that we need to get ready here. Take a couple of tablespoons of strawberry jam in a bowl, beat it vigorously till it becomes a really smooth sauce kind of a thing. This now we can use to garnish our cheesecake. We'll use it at the top. All our elements to get our no-bake strawberry cheesecake together are ready. Now we take a nice looking glass or bowl or a big serving platter to assemble the dessert. Now we are going to make the base for our cheesecake, which of course is that biscuit crumb that we made with butter. So we'll arrange it at the bottom of the glass neatly, uniformly, and pack it tight. And what I did was I sliced some strawberries into thin slices and then arranged them all around the glass towards the outside so that they are visible from out. This makes your dessert look very, very pretty indeed. On top of this, load up that beautiful cheesecake mixture. Fill the glass with it, make it uniform from the top. And now get out that jam that we have beaten into a smooth paste. Just arrange it and swirl it around on the top of your cheesecake. See how pretty it looks. So your cheesecake is almost ready except for some finishing touches. For the finishing touch, you can place a whole strawberry or maybe sliced strawberry or strawberry pieces or anything you like. Maybe drizzle some more of these biscuit crumbs over it. That is totally your imagination. This is how I topped it up. And here is my no-bake cheesecake ready, and I'm in love with it.